Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The purpose of my YouTube channel is to bring home cooking back to American household. In this video, I'm going to show you a recipe to cook a almond chicken broccoli dish that is so simple you can go and cook it immediately after watching this video. However, you will be surprised to find how easy it is and how good it tastes. I'm going to include the recipe at the comment section below the video. Actually, I'm going to call this a template because it is for you to modify. You can take a look at my video on the benefit of cooking using a template. Let me first list the major steps of this recipe. Step 1, marinated the chicken with cornstarch. Step 2, spot season the wok. Step 3, add chicken. Step 4, add lemon pepper. Step 5, stir fry chicken. Step 6, add broccoli. Step 7, add almond, and dish is served. The total cook time is 5 minutes. Cooking the chicken with cornstarch is a useful trick. The cornstarch lightly coats the chicken to retain its moisture in stir fry, making it more tender. I added 8 ounces of sliced chicken to the wok. I cooked this dish after I cook an egg dish. Therefore, I did not season the wok, otherwise I would. I prepped the chicken in advance. Please see my video on this topic. I thawed out 8 ounces of chicken in warm water in less than 10 minutes. It is well worth the time to prep in advance. For this dish, I only use lemon pepper as the seasoning to make it simple. Lemon pepper also contains salt. You can add the amount that you want according to taste. Lemon pepper goes well with chicken, providing a signature for this dish. Next, I add 2 cups of broccoli, which is cut to the size optimum for cooking and flavor. Please see my video, Prepping Broccoli, what is the best size to cut them. By cutting the broccoli to different sizes, you can alter the character of the dish significantly. I add more oil because the broccoli floret soaks up oil readily. However, I want to cook the dish with minimum amount of oil. The dish is almost 75% done. The chicken looks almost ready and the broccoli floret start to soften. I use the wok spatula to dislodge any food particles might be burned to the bottom of the wok. I also have turned down the heat to avoid food from getting burned. Please see my video on this topic. I add some more oil to stir fry the food a little longer. Using a squeeze bottle to dispense the oil is convenient. Next, I start to clean up the wok using some water. I call this spot cleaning. Please see my video on how to clean this wok with this method to dislodge food particles that have been stuck and burned to the bottom of the wok. The water softens the burnt food particles, allowing the spatula to remove them easily. Otherwise, it will be hard to clean. By adding a small amount of water along the way, you can see the wok is almost completely clean. It makes cleaning afterwards easier and more efficient. The water also dissolves the cornstarch to create a light sauce, which makes the dish more interesting. By prepping in advance, I can have a chicken and broccoli dish cooked with fresh ingredients from freezer to table in less than 20 minutes. Lastly, I garnish the dish with thinly sliced almond. You can consider this recipe is the template for cooking chicken with all different kinds of vegetables. You can create many variations using this approach. Please stay tuned for more videos that is going to be based on this template. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future video postings. I'll see you next time. Please stay safe.